Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to show you guys what happened to this battery and what I think happened and what I did to it and how am I gonna process the LSA program through Ridgid. This is a good opportunity because like I mentioned before in my videos, I don't know what the process, how hard it is, how easy it is, how long it's gonna take Ridgid to send me back the tool and all the stuff. So in this video, we're actually gonna go through the whole process of what happened. So let me tell you what happened. So my wife told me, hey John, I put this battery in the light and it doesn't light up, right? So, and she showed me that there's like 4 lights over here when she pressed it. And so after a quick Google search, they said that just unscrew the 4 screws. And on the motherboard, there should be like a ground and a J2. And supposedly, if you put you jump it together and you press the button, it should reset the whole thing. I'm not going to do that because I actually want to see how Ridgid, the process of making a claim and how long for it to take, you know what I mean? So I just want to try it. I just want to experience it. So I've been like... I don't know how many years I'm a Ridgid advocate. I buy a lot of Ridgid. Recently, I just bought a grinder and the batteries as well too. So, but basically, as you can see here, I bought these. It's a set of batteries, so it comes in 2-pack, and you can see this is the one that is having issues right here. The other ones I'm okay with it. So basically, all you have to do is just click on file the claim. And you pretty much just fill out all your basic information, your name, your address, and everything. And assuming you fill out your email address too. Once you fill out the email address, right? And then it's pretty quick. And then Rich is just saying, we sent you like the shipping labels and everything. So once you do that, right, as you can see here, shipping label, and you just click print label, and then it's going to come out a label like this. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's like a PDF of the label from FedEx. And it'll look something like this. I don't know, maybe I should cover some of the barcodes or something that way, just for, privacy. But you know what it is, right? So, so I guess I'm just going to have to box it up and then drop it off at FedEx locations. I don't know how long it's gonna take. I hope that Ridgid will not make us wait this long. First, I thought like they would want me to take it to a Home Depot center, so at least they can troubleshoot it or at least give me a replacement. But apparently, when you do file the claim, it just automatically sent you the shipping label, and I guess somewhere I'm gonna have to send this to somewhere in 201. Orange Way, Anderson, South Carolina. And I don't know. So this is FedEx. So maybe just to get there, maybe 3 to 5 days. And then to get back to me, maybe another 3 to 5 days. So, and maybe to fix the issues, I don't think it's going to take that long. So I would hope maybe like faster than 10 days, right? So we're going to have to wait and see how long it's actually going to take it, and then when we move on from there. So if this is something that you like, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos of what the next step is, or how soon will I get the replacement. All right. Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.